Hey, everybody. We are back. Do you have the mic? Okay, good. You still have it. Okay.
Who's going on?
We are back for a 10-minute ab burner. We're still dancing. Okay, so we actually only have 5 moves today. You're going to need 1 dumbbell. And do you have towels, ladies? Do you have CDornerFitness towels? Okay, because we're going to use these. I'm going to give you one, Amanda.
Oh, here.
What do you mean you don't have a towel? Okay, these are all clean over here. All right. She leaves. Okay, so we're just going to do each move until I tell you we're done with it. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's get down on the floor. So no timers. What? Hey, buddy. All right. First move, 1 dumbbell. Now, options here. You don't have to use a dumbbell. And you could just do cross. Cross. Or you can use a dumbbell and cross. Or don't put your feet down and go right here. So I just gave you 17 options. 3, really. Okay? What happened? Okay. Ready? Here we go. Good. If you need a towel, these CDornerFitness towels are available on my website. Good. Come on. No timers. Okay. Just enjoy. Think about pulling your knees. Just enjoy. Think about pulling your knees in. Look at this. Look how in sync we are. It's a group. I know. I was going to start naming boy bands, Dawn. Come on. Good. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3. No, I didn't say only 10 more because there's 5 more. Come on! 5, just when you think you can't. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1.
Whoa.
Nice. Woo! Come on down. Hands behind the head.
Right.
We're gonna pulse a crunch. All right. Here we go. So we lift. Okay. Now, what you're doing is
He's
not
reading
pulling.
you the comments.
You're not pulling on your head. No, Lou's reading the comments.
Yeah, he's looking right at the screen very intensely.
I'm gonna enjoy this. Good. Are we rejoicing? Come on. Pulse. Good. Don't hold your breath, okay? Let that head be heavy in your hand. Actually push the head into your hand, and then all of a sudden you're gonna be like, "Ow, there's my abs." Up.
Oh, I already found them.
Did you find them? I think my abs are sore from the other day. I don't even know what we did. Come on. Oh!
It was the shab workout.
15 more. Go. 1 and 2.
Right?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 5 for real. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rock it up. Okay, so
That was a quick 10 minutes.
I know. What? All right, so you need your towel or not for this, okay? Hi, what is up with you? Option 1, on your knees. Okay, yeah. Option 2, stacked or staggered. So you're in a side plank. Have your towel nearby. Okay, so take your towel. All right, and what you're gonna do, you're not throwing it because you won't be able to find it. You're just gonna drop it, and then you're gonna reach under and grab it. Just drop it so it goes against your back and reach under.
Mine keeps going too far.
Grab it. And back. Good. So you have to be gentle, like dropping the egg in the pan.
Way too far.
Good. Keep going. I will tell you though, I have done the Nastia's egg in the pan breaking trick, and I would say that 40% of the time there's a shell in it. Good. Go on. Should I show that? Come on. Oh.
I think we should gather the videos that were made all during that and make a compilation. Oh man, that's way too far.
Woo! 2 more drops on this side.
Oh yeah, there's another side.
Yeah, that's right. And stop. Woo! Holy moly. Okay.
That was excellent. That was excellent. Get it? Eggs.
That dog is real, by the way. Are you ready? Knees stacked or staggered. Come up. Okay, find it. Elbow under your shoulder. Ready? Light drop. Whoop. And under. Good. And up. Good. Good. Nice and slow.
Oh, man.
Good. I couldn't find mine either, Vanessa.
Mine, honestly, is not an arm's length that time.
Good. Good. Keep going. Nice and controlled. Reaching under and grabbing. Bringing it up. Good. Whew. Good. 3 more drops on this side. I think you feel your obliques, yeah? Come on. Ah! 1 more drop.
Oh, way too far.
And stop. Woo! Woo! Okay. 2 moves left. What? What? No, that was supposed to be other side. So, we did skip a move. Okay, so option 1.
That's like I see 1.
Okay? It's gonna be up here, dumbbell to the sky. Now, if you're like, can't do that, okay, work on a straight leg plank, but what I want you to do is reach your opposite arm to the sky so that you're not pulling on your neck. That's option 1 and 2. Next one. Okay, and then there's 1 more. Yeah? You ready to try? All right, ready? Here we go. So option 1 is just the crunch.
Can you do 1 leg at a time? If you
Okay.
did the-
Option 2.
Can you do 1 leg at a
You
time?
can do 1 leg at a time.
Okay, that I can do.
Okay. Whew. Good. Good. And you can bring the dumbbell back if you're doing the straight legs, but you have to do it very slowly. Good. Nice.
Did I hear 2 more?
That was Amanda. Sorry, that was Amanda. That was Vanessa, not me. Come on. 2 more now. 2 more now.
I'm just suggesting people should thank me.
And stop. Okay. Woo. How are we doing? Hands under your backside. Okay, this last one is a combo. So you're gonna go flex down, point up. This is the first part of your combo. Now, if you're like, Chris, I just can't do this with straight legs, you can alternate your legs down. Okay, I'm gonna give you lots of options here, right? Hi, buddy. Good. Flex down, point up. Again. Flex down, point up. Again. Flex down. Left leg only. Down. Okay. Good. Left again. Now, take your arms and reach them straight up. Good. Again. Down. And up. Nice. Down. Switching sides. Go. Down. Now, you're really trying to control that leg from your midsection, not from just your hip flexor, bringing the leg down. Good. Good. And up. 1 more. Down. Good. 2 legs again. Down. And up. Now you need to put your hands back under your backside. Go ahead and do it if that helps you to keep a little bit of stability back there. Otherwise your arms are up. Now when you come up, reach for your legs. Reach. Flex down. Point up. Reach. Flex down. Point up. Reach. Flex down. Oh! Come on, come on. Flex down. Point up. Good. Flex. And flex. Okay, guys, you're almost there. 1 more of these, 1 more of these. Okay, now, hold it up, hands under your backside, bring them down about halfway. Point your toes, this is it. You're gonna crisscross. 3, good. 4, there's 20 of these, by the way. 5, and 6, come on. 7,
Oh, no.
8, do the best you can.
Okay.
9, take a break if you have to. 10, 11, woo! 12, woo! 13, this is not worse than our thighs from last week. 15, you can do it, come on. 16, put your abs into it. And 17, 18, 18, 19, and 20. Oh, yes. Lift those hips. Hello, Lewis, just in time.
That was terrible.
Whew. Awesome. Hold it. Good. Release
That was a belly
down.
buster.
Right, belly buster. Long stretch, both arms up. Yes, Lou. Yes, Lou. Oh, I love it when they do that. When you pet their head or you scratch them and they push their head in. Like, more of that, please. Okay, left knee into your chest. I want you to bring your right arm on the outside of that left knee and just give me a little twist. Good. Thank you, Lou. And good. Switch, right knee into your chest, left leg extended, left hand across. Do a nice little twist there. Hi. Dawn, he's trying to make out with me. Come on. I was telling her about how Louis had something very undesirable in his mouth the other day. Good. Out in the woods. Good. Back to your knees into your chest. Rock yourself up. Let's go one more big stretch. Hi, Poopy. Is that what was in your mouth? Okay. Good. Reach over. Good. Hold. Nice. Hold. Laughing is good for the abs. And other side. Oh my, he's ridiculous today. He's like, just everyone loved me. Everyone loves you. Don't worry, Lou. Don't worry. Good. Now, last one. Chin down. I was saying that. Chin up. Chin down. Chin up. Look forward. Big breath in. Hands together. Bring them down to your heart. Great job, Amanda. Great job, Vanessa. And woo, Lou has the cutest little butt. He really does.
Shake your butt. Show
Not
me
as
your
cute as Liam's, but I'm just kidding. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. When the video comes back up, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe. You guys are rocked it. Thank you, ladies.